Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here again with this makeup look I created using Kathleen Light's Zodiac Eyeshadow palette that she created with the brand Colourpop. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial and let me show you how I created this makeup look. For my first shade, I'm going to go ahead is with this called Taurus and use it all over my lid with a crease brush. So after that, I'm going to go ahead with this shade called Sagittarius. It's a nice plum shade. I'm going to take another crease brush and put it on my crease and smooth it out at the same time. This is my second palette that I own from the brand Colourpop. Honestly, I really like this palette, and you can create few looks using this palette, and also you can like take the other palette that Kathleen Light made, the Dream Street, use this both the palettes together and come out with some nice look. Now I'm going to be taking this shade called Cancer, which is my husband's zodiac sign. Yeah, and I'm a Pisces, so I will be using this teal shade too as well. So but first I'm going to go ahead with the shade Cancer and pat it all over my eyelid. Let me know guys if you wanna me to do any more looks using this palette, and also like in general, like if you have any request for me to film any makeup tutorial of any brand or any collection that you want me to review, I will be glad to do that as well. Because nowadays like lots of companies are coming up with like so many makeup products. So I'm going to go ahead again with the shade Sagittarius and pat more on my crease. I'm going to take my MAC 217 brush and smooth out the crease shade more. Just like that. Back again with my lid shade. And we take my Taurus shade again and softly go above my crease a bit. Same on the other side. So now I'm going to go ahead with the shade called Pisces, the teal shade, and apply underneath my lash line. I'm going to take a smudger brush for that. I'm going to use this brush for that. I know I'm keeping my lid shade neutral and going with a pop of eyeshadow underneath. Don't be scared seeing the pop of like the color, the bright color underneath my eye. I know it's not looking the best right now, but once I'm done completing my whole eye look, it will look nice, like it will come all together, trust me. So now what I'm going to do, I'll take my pencil brush and go ahead with the shade Sagittarius again and just put it on my outer lid. I'm going to take a clean brush and blend it all together. So while I was doing this eye look, this thought just came to my mind. Let's see if I can do that. I'm going to take an angled brush, or you know what, I'm going to take this Morphe brush, that's M432, and take the same shade called Sagittarius and apply it as my eyeliner instead of the eye pencil today or the black. I'm going to use this shade as my eyeliner today. I know, not supposed to tug my eyelid that much. It's not good. So back again with a clean brush. I'm going to blend it all again. So off camera, I'm going to do my mascara and falsies and BRB. This is my finished eye look that I created using Kathleen's Zodiac Eyeshadow palette. I know this was a mini tutorial. The reason is I wanted to focus mainly on the eyeshadow palette, but in the near future, I will be doing a full video on the collection, including the lipsticks, the eyeshadows, the liquid eyeshadows, and some other product that I bought from Colourpop. Watch out for that tutorial, and then I will be doing another video on the full review on the collection. So yes, guys, watch out for those videos that will be coming shortly on this channel. I think that's it for now, and if you did enjoy my tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you all are having a good day. Bye!